Hello guys, my name is Dyna from Dyna Racing and welcome to a new video. I hope you can see the difference because I've got a new camera and I know it's a wide lens, it's an action camera. It doesn't have the best mic, but it's an SJ 7-star, it's an awesome camera, and I hope you guys enjoy the footage that we're gonna get. So we're actually gonna get some actually nice footage now, but today we have something really important to do, and that is I ordered the stuff for the engine yesterday. They should be coming tomorrow by the morning, so we have a lot to do and we have to take apart the bike, we have to clean the garage and everything, but you guys will see that in a bit. For now I'll just get the cleaning. I won't record it as it's not useful for for you guys. You guys need to see me like clean my garage. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I've cleaned up the garage now, and I'll just put my suit on and we'll start to work on the bike. Let's put the suit on. Okay, so suit is on, let's get to work.